Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be reading Science Success with Online Support Book 5. This is a very interesting book and interesting lessons. Includes the instance of NEP 2020. It's a very interesting lessons for kids to read. So I'm gonna read the first lesson. Growing plants. Okay, I'm gonna read the first. Alright. Plants are living things. They play a very important role in our lives. They give us lots of things like food, sugar, oil, wood, fibers, rubber, gum, tea, coffee, and spices. They also give us oxygen for breathing. Next page. Okay, here you go. Okay, to meet our needs, we need to grow plants. Let us read how we grow plants. Growing plants. We can grow plants through seeds, stems, roots, and leaves. Growing plants from seeds. Seeds are present inside fruits. New plants grow from seeds. Let us study the structure of a kidney bean seed. Look at this brown seed. So this one, the point you can see, this is a seed coat. An outer covering protects the baby plant inside. Now this hole you can see, this one. So this hole you can see here. Seed hole allows water to enter the seed. So look at this one. This one's together. This one is cotyledons. This one both is cotyledons. Store food for the baby plant. So this green ones you can see, this one's embryo says grows into a baby plant. This one's external and this one's internal. Okay. A plant produces many seeds, but all seeds do not grow into a new plant. Some seeds are eaten by animals and humans. Some seeds are weak and do not grow. Some seeds are destroyed by wind and rain. Some seeds do not get the proper conditions needed to grow. When a healthy seed gets right conditions to right amount of air, water and warmth, it grows into a baby plant called seedling. The process by which a seed grows into a new plant is called germination. During germination, the seedling gets food from the seed leaves called cotyledons. The seedlings uses stored food until it grows its own roots and leaves. That's not the one. Okay. After the food stores in the cotyledons has been used, they shrink and fall off. The seedling grows in here size and develops leaves which make food for the plant through photosynthesis. The roots of the plants absorb water and minerals from the soils. Seed dispersal. When many seeds are sown too close to each other, they struggle for nutrients space as by mistake I just went here. So, okay. I will read again. Okay, sorry about that. When many seeds are sown too close to each other, they struggle for nutrients. Even after germination, the seedlings do not get enough sunlight, air, water, and space. As a result, many seedlings die. OMG. Thus, it is important that seeds are scattered over a wind area so that each seedling gets enough sunlight, air, water, and space to grow. Seeds of some plants are scattered, which naturally to ensure that the do not grow too close to each other. The process by which seeds are scattered away from the mother plant is called seed dispersal. Some seeds have special feature that allow them to disperse. Some seeds are dispersed by edged like wind, water, animal, and human beings. These are called agents of dispersal. Dispersal by wind. Some seeds that are light and have hair or wings like structures on them are dispersal by wind. Cotton and dandelion. Oh wait, this is a bit hard to read. Dandelion seeds have fine hair and are easily carried away by wind. So this is how it's look like. Maple seeds have wings like structures. And this one's dandelion seeds have hair around them. This, when we blow, it can it will blow away. So like that. Even everyone likes dandelion seeds. Okay. Dispersal by water. Seeds of some plants can float on water and are carried away by water. Lotus plant has a spongy light fruit which helps it to float on water. Lotus and coconut seeds are dispersal by water. As you can see, the coconut seed is dispersal by water. See this coconut. Okay, now this one is dispersal by animals. Okay. Birds and animals eat fruits at times. Undigested seeds of these fruits pass through their digestive system unchanged. In this way, seeds are dispersal by the plant. Some seeds like cockleburr, datura, and tiger claw have spines or hooks. These seeds stick to the bodies of animals or birds and are carried away. So this is how it's look like. Seeds of cockleburr are dispersal by animals. So look at this. Okay, we're going to be going to the next page. Okay, look at this plant. Okay, human beings and animals eat fruit like mango, jamun, and cherries and throw away their seeds, resulting in their dispersal. Dispersal by explosion. Some fruits like pea, poppy, balsam, and bean burst open, scattering the seeds away from the plant. So this is how it's look like. Seeds of pea are dispersal by explosion. So these seeds are coming out. This one pea. So yeah. Okay, let's go to the growing plants from stem. Some plants like rose, hibiscum, and money plant can be grown from stem cutting. The plant from which the stem is cut is called the mother plant. Stem cutting is planted in the soil. After few days, the stem cutting grows into a new plant. So as you can see, as you can see the potato, it has this point. You can see this one's eyes, and this one is a bud on potato can grow into a new plant. So this is a potato. Okay, so we read this finish. Now let's go to the next one. So this one is a flower and a stem is cut from the mother plant. So a man is cutting the stem, you can see. So if you cut a stem, you can also put in the soil. The stem is planted in the soil. So you cut here a stem and put it to another pot for a soil, and you can plant for a new plant. That's how I say it. Growing plants from stem. Potato, onion and ginger are stem of plants which can grow into new plants. A potato has bud on it called eyes. Any part of potato bearing an eye can grow into a new plant. Okay, the next one. Growing plants from roots. Okay, this 1 minute, guys. I'm going to put it a bit closer so you can see. Okay, some plants like sweet potato, carrot, radish, turnip, dahlia store food in their roots. Roots of these plants can grow into new plant. Place a sweet potato in a glass full of water with the help of some toothpicks and keep the glass in an open space. After a few days, you will observe a new plant growing out of it. Okay, let's experiment. This is aim to grow a plant from carrot. Things needed: a carrot, a bowl, a knife, and water. Number 1. Cut off the top portion of the carrot. Keep the cut part in the boil. By mistake, I just say oil. So it's like this. Keep the cut part in the boil, not oil, boil, with the top portion upwards. Number 3. Pour some water in the boil so that half the carrot is dipped in water. Keep the container in the sun. Observe the carrots for a few days. Observation. New leaves, oh my god, this is so hard word. Sprout from the top portion of the carrot. Growing plants from leaves. Oh, I'm sorry, I didn't show you the picture of the carrot and put it in the water. So we cut the top and put the water here. So if you cut this one and you put in the water, it will like come roots like this. So yeah. So I'm gonna read the growing plants from leaves. Okay, growing plants from leaves. Leaves of oh my god, this is so hard. Bryophyllum. Okay, that's how I read. I don't know how to read. This is a very hard word, guys. Plant have buds in the notch along the margins. These buds develop into a new plantlets. When the leaf falls on soil, these plants get spreaded and develop into independent plants. So this is how it's look like. This is a leaf, and this one's a leaf bud. You can see there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There is 10 leaf buds. Okay. Let's go to the next one. Growing plants from spores. This is like sprouts. There is like mini balls here. So this is spores on a fennel leaf. Okay, growing plants from spores. Plants like ferns grow from spores. Spores are found on the underside of a fern leaf. Fungi like mushroom and bread mold also grow from spores. Let's go to the next page. So far we done to the another page. Oh my god, this is a long to read. Look at that. Alright, no time for explanation. Let's read. Agriculture. This is a very hard to read. Okay. I will just read from is the practice of growing plants on a large scale for food and other purpose. Plants of one kind grown on a large scale in a particular area during a particular season are called crops. Farmers grow different crops in different seasons. Crops like rice and maize that are grown in summer seasons and harvested at the end of monsoon seasons are called kharif crops. Crops like wheat and gram that are grown in winter seasons are harvested in the spring seasons are called rabi crops. Vegetables like cauliflower and peas are grown during winter, whereas vegetables like brinjal and gourd are grown during summer. Different plants not only grow in different seasons, but they need different types of soil to rise, and jute grow well in clay soil which can hold plenty of water. Wheat, jowar and bajra grow in sandy soil. Cotton grows well in black soil. Tea plants grow in the soil of hill areas like Assam and Darjeeling. This is how it's look like. Stages of agriculture, however. Okay, various stages are given below. So this is the farmer. The field is plowed. Plough means to dig and turn over a field with the help of a plough so that the soil becomes loose. So this is manures and chemical filters are added to the soil. They enrich the soil with nutrients. Seeds are sown. Okay. The crops is irrigated. Irrigation means to supply water to an area of land through pipes or channels so that the crop will grow. The crop is sprayed with chemicals to protect it from pests. Such chemicals are called pesticides. The crop is harvested. Harvest means to cut and gather a crop. So this is the last one and we're gonna be stopping. Okay. Protecting the crops. Crops need to be protected from animals, birds, insects, any other before and after harvesting. Bigger animals like cows and buffaloes can be kept away by proper finishing around the fields. Scarecrows help to keep the birds away. Pesticides are sprayed on crops to protect them from insects. Once the crop is harvested, it is stored properly to protect it from insects, small animals, and moisture. Harvested grains and ploughs are stored in airtight containers. Scarecrow. I hope you like my lessons about growing plants. So bye. If you like my video, please put like, share, subscribe. Thank you.